24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Math is everywhere. Math is really important in our life. It plays a major role in a child's cognitive development. Children from the age of 1 to 5 years start thinking creatively and critically, exploring patterns and shapes, comparing sizes, counting objects, analyzing and solving problems. Introduction of number 15. Tell the children that today they will recognize number 15, its value, and trace number 15 with correct formation. Recognition of number 15 and its value. Write number 15 on the writing board. Tell them that this is number 15. Introduce the number value with the help of book. Show picture, count and say, 15 dolls. 15 dolls. 15 dolls. 15 dolls. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Play a number game with children. Ask them to follow the instructions. For example, clap 15 times. Formation of number 15. Write number 15 on the board and give instructions. Write 1 and a 5 to make 15. Write 1 and a 5 to make 15. Ask them to open their textbook, count, color, and match objects with number 15. Ask them to open their textbook and trace number 15 with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace number 15 in the air or on their desks or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled numbers on the writing board. And ask children to recognize 15. Reinforcement worksheet of number 15 can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.